for today's video, I thought I'd show you a little homemade recipe I use for when I have super dry skin. It's been a tiny bit colder here in LA. And by a tiny bit colder, I mean probably 60 degrees. I don't know, a little rainy. But that's like the apocalypse for us, okay? Joey, calm down. He has dry skin too. We're a mess in this household. Anyways, where was I? Oh yeah, okay. So dry skin. So I get really dry skin around this area of my face, right around my cheeks and a little bit of my forehead. And when it gets colder, it's just extremely worsened. And I found this really amazing face mask that helps out tremendously. All you need is rolled oats, some honey, and water. But if you want to be a fancy girl like me, you can also add in some jojoba oil, some vitamin E, and then some essential oils. I like adding in chamomile and lavender. But if you don't have those, don't worry. That's just like bonus stuff. That's just me being crazy. You could easily just have the rolled oats, the honey, and the water and be completely fine. Let me show you how to make it. So you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of rolled oats. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh darn. Okay, I'm good. So we'll get 2 of them. 1, 2, and I put it in a coffee grinder. Maybe you have one of these or your parents have one or something. Just clean it out real good and put the oats in there. It's okay if there's some coffee left in it, because guess what? Coffee is really a really good exfoliant too. So you can leave that in there. You can leave it in there if you like. Anyways, back to this. Let's mix it up. That's looking pretty good. Just a few more. Okay, that looks great. Now, oatmeal is really calming for your skin. I have really sensitive skin, like crazy sensitive skin. And as a kid, my mom used to give me oatmeal baths because I would always break out in hives from playing in the grass, or I might have had an allergic reaction to some new laundry soap. So I am very familiar with oatmeal and its healing powers. It's kind of my favorite. I also like eating it. So put the 2 tablespoons in a bowl. We're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of water. So use this guy over here. Get this little tablespoon full of water. Bring it over here. Add that guy in. Just 1 tablespoon. It is crucial. We messed this recipe up. If you watch my week in the life, we actually didn't add the water, and it was so intense on our face, wasn't it, John?
Yeah.
It was like paste. We had to figure it out. I mean, any recipe before I show you guys, I feel like I have to test it up. So don't worry, we were the guinea pigs. Next up, we're gonna use honey. Whatever honey you have is good. I always like doing the organic raw honey. This is kind of just super good, super pure, really good stuff for you. As you can tell, I've gone through almost all of this. I use this in my teas. I use it in my food, my cooking. I use it for everything. Raw honey is just incredible. I need to get more after this. Okay, we got 1 tablespoon of the honey in here, and we'll just plop this guy in. I'm gonna use this little rubber spatula to get all the goodness scraped off of it. Perfect. Okay, now this is fine. You can mix this all together and your face mask will be perfect. But this is what I like to do just because I'm experimenting and adding a little more things to it. I happen to really like this. Now I'm not gonna go too crazy with essential oil because my face is very sensitive. I'm just doing 1 drop of the lavender oil. You probably missed that because it happens so quickly and it's clear. And then 1 drop of the chamomile. Just 1 little guy. Just so I can have some of their essence in there. Next I do 3 drops of the jojoba oil, which is incredible. This stuff is so good. I use this as a makeup remover. I mix it in with my face wash, or I just use it by itself and it gets off all of my mascara that's left on my eyes after I use my makeup remover that doesn't work very well. Yeah, this is incredible. It's good for dry skin too. So I have this vitamin E oil. I'm just gonna add a little drop in here. There you go, maybe a little more. There it is. That's good. That's good for me. And then I just mix it all up. You gotta kind of be gentle with it. Just work everything in. That honey is gonna just absorb everything. And the water's already kind of working. But you wanna make sure everything is mixed really good. So mash it down and scoop it all together. That's looking pretty good. Just keep going though, until everything's perfectly blended. Oh, you smell that? It smells so good.
Yeah, it smells crazy.
It's so nice. It smells like a nice calm bath. It smells really good. So if you're stressed out and your skin's dry, or you just kind of want to rejuvenate your skin. This is also like, this is an exfoliant. It will get rid of all of the dead skin that's on your face, and it softens your face too and makes it feel nice and moisturized. You would add moisturizer after this, but honestly, it's quite moisturizing in itself. Pretty good. I mean, it doesn't look very appetizing, but it is a face scrub. So I have these cute little jars that I got from Amazon. I'll link them down below. But I'm gonna put the face scrub in here and just keep it in my fridge for when I need it. And the way I use it is I just basically put it on until it dries. Like I rub it all over my face very gently. And then I wait until it dries, which is around 10 or 15 minutes. And then I wash it off with some warm water. Bada boom, bada bing. And there you have it. You can make this for a friend too. It's really nice. I made some for Lena. She's yet to pick it up, but she was complaining about her face feeling really dry in her hands. And I made her some of this stuff, and I know it's gonna super help her out. Oh, I like using this on my hands too. So if your hands are super dry, use this as just like a scrub, like just like how you would wash your hands in some warm water, and you'll thank me later. It's incredible. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you dink that like button so I know that you want more. Hit subscribe so you know when I post new videos, and let me know if you want any more of my home brew recipes. I have quite a few more. I can share them with you. Just let a girl know. All right, I'll see you guys later.